Shopify tutorial for beginners, Shopify tutorial for beginners 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be discussing in detail and great depth about Shopify, okay? And when it comes to discussing Shopify, we're going to be discussing all of the different types of aspects and features that Shopify actually brings you, and I'm going to be taking you through the whole suite. I'm going to be signing you up. I'm going to be showing you all the great different tools that Shopify actually brings you, and it's going to be really fun and it's going to be really informational. So all I want you to do is to fully watch this video till the end and listen to all of the information and instructions I have to provide you, because if you listen to me properly till the end, then I guarantee you that till the end you're going to fully learn how to use this amazing platform. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So here we are, Shopify.com, the global commerce platform. Okay, now once you're over here, to start yourself off, you can come to entering your email address. So in this case, I'm going to be using a temp mail for myself, but you do not necessarily need to follow this step. Okay, you can just go ahead and use, any email that you use, your Gmail or anything like that. Okay, that totally depends on you. But again, in my case, I'm going to be using a temp mail. Now, once you go here, you're going to paste your temp mail right here. You're going to click on start free trial. And once you click on start free trial, this brings you here. Let's get started. Which of these best describes you? Will help you get set up based on your business needs. So obviously, let's start ourselves off. So I'm going to go with, I'm just starting. I'm going to click on next. Where would you like to sell? Pick as many as you like. You can always change these later. So obviously you can sell in an online store, existing website or blog. I'm going to go with an online store because that's what Shopify is mostly known for. What do you plan to sell first? So it could be products you buy or make yourself, digital products, drop shipping products, etc. So that's also pretty, it's a pretty good thing. So I'm going to go with drop shipping products. Now, once you go over there, here, it's going to ask you to basically choose an account for yourself, okay? So obviously, we're going to create a totally new account, and we're going to click on add an account. So obviously, you're going to make sure that the email is all good and going. And once everything is good, you're going to come here, okay? So you're going to come here, choose the account that you want to go with. This is the account that I just added. And once you do that, here you can see it loads you in to the Shopify main base. And from here, obviously, we're going to go ahead and see all the different types of, data and details that come with, Shopify. So let's wait for this to load up. So obviously, it takes a few seconds to load your Shopify up. So while it loads up, let's go ahead and actually discuss Shopify's pricing. Okay, so you're going to come here and write Shopify pricings and plans. Okay, now once you write pricing and plans, obviously it's going to give you all the different plans that Shopify actually brings you, and I've used all of those plans and all of them are pretty terrific. But in my opinion, the best would be the Shopify plan if you plan on using, the full suite that you get. Now, basic is the most popular, which basically starts you off and it gives you a lot of good, features. So if you're just an individual or a solopreneur, then I would recommend basic. Then you don't need Shopify. But if you have a proper small business, then yeah, at that point, I would recommend that you would go with this one. So this is $25. This is $65, and then there's obviously advanced, which is almost $400, but this is obviously for large enterprises, for large, big, huge based companies. So yeah, and as you can see, all these great companies which are extremely famous work with Shopify. So Allbirds, Gymshark, Brooklinen, Kylie Cosmetics, Junglo, Death Wish, Untuckit, Telfar, all these great companies. Okay, so now, once we've discussed that, let's go over to Shopify. So this is basically your Shopify store, okay? It's basically your dashboard for your Shopify. And what you're going to do over here is, as you can see, you can get a full setup guide and a few steps over here, okay? Now, obviously, these steps are to get you through, the main Shopify mainframe and database. Like, it says add your first product, find products to sell, customize your online store, organize your store's navigation, add a custom domain, all the essential stuff. So So obviously you can go ahead and follow all these steps to, get you going off. But in most cases, or in my case, obviously I'm just going to get into the main stuff. So here are orders, okay? Order section or the order tab basically provides you a section where you're going to see all of the orders that have been, ordered from your store. So let's say you have products on your store and some, user actually comes and orders those products. So that's basically going to show up over here, and you're going to get all the necessities on this page. So, it's pretty straightforward. Then comes products. Okay, obviously this is the main products page, and over here you're going to start adding your products that are going to show up to your store. You could drop ship them straight over here. You could, add them manually by just clicking on add your products. Pretty simple stuff. And then comes, the customers page, where it's basically, this is a small CRM, okay? Customer relationship management, and over here you're gonna basically, as you can see, everything customers related in one place. So you can manage your customer details, customer order history, group customers info segments, and much more. So yeah, this is pretty easy stuff to get your head behind. Then there's content. Content is basically the content that comes in your website. So as you can see over here, it says create your first meta object definition. Okay, so meta objects are a powerful way to add custom multi-field objects to your store. Use them to display unique information like cart upsell, size guides, etc. Then comes your analytics. Obviously, this is your main analytical section where you're going to get all the stats and data about your store, what goes on in your store, and much more. Pretty basic and essential stuff that you are going to need for your store. Now, moving on, obviously you can call in reports as well, okay? All these things are pretty easy and simple to get your head behind. Now, moving on to the main powerhouse, this is your online store section, okay? And in this online store section is where you're actually going to do all the designing for your online store. So over here, you can see you have your themes. You can change the themes for your store. You can customize it in the edit section. You can make blog posts, add extra pages, add extra sources of navigations, have different preferences for your page, and much more. And you can also, change your POS, which is your point of sale. You can add different types of apps for yourself. So pretty easy, pretty simple, and pretty amazing stuff to actually get your head behind. But yeah, that's basically about it. And one more thing, to obviously edit your website's actual interface and to edit your website's actual look, you can just go over here into customize, and once you go into customize, you're gonna get all these different types of widgets and settings. So let me just open this. Obviously this is the Dawn theme. As you can see, the Dawn theme is the custom default theme, and as you can see over here, you're gonna get all these things. So browse our latest products. You have all these products down here. Pretty basic, pretty simple stuff to get your head behind. So in general, all of this stuff is it's, as you can see, pretty simple to understand and doesn't take you too long to actually get your head behind all of this. So I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available, and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guide for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. Yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later, and goodbye.